That is Panchito. Panchito is the Coronado Springs Destino Tower merchandise store. And if you see right there, there's Panchito himself. Busting out a song. And he's one of the three amigos. And this is his store. So when you come in, what Coronado does, which I think is awesome, is they have their own merchandise. And I gotta honestly tell you, I love the fact when these resorts have their merchandise. Beautiful metal water bottle, fantastic. $44.99. Metal screw cap is great. Now this is a fantastic one. Now, what makes this really Coronado is it has that stained glass feel to it, and it's not small. It's heavy. It's glass. It's just a great piece. And what is it? And that's $19.99. I'll tell you honestly, given the size and its weight, that's a good price. And then they have the glassware. And then you all know I like coffee, and they have really good coffee. Now, it's funny, that side doesn't have the name. It's a lefty mug, that side does. So let's go back in here. Now, they do have a lot of clothing. So here they have all the hats, different Mickey hats, and then they have bonnets. It's funny, they do have a ski cap. We had a cold snap here in Florida, which caught everybody by surprise. So there's that. And then if we sneak back by, you get kind of into that resort wear, like the golf shirts for the men with the shorts, and then the women's dresses and hats, and some really great sequin lounge flies. We've seen the rose gold. The gold is less available, it's less common. Really, dresses and the outfits are all Spanish inspired, if you kind of tell just by the way the structure of the dresses and the colors. As I take it off the hanger. Not that we're buying it or anything. Put it back on the hanger. All right. And then we'll keep pushing through. And then they have the tees where it's $25 each when you buy two versus $30 for one. You have your Fab Five. Almost a Run Disney energy there. And I gotta tell you, you got your mini sweatshirts. And you got your Mickey sweatshirt. So if you got you and your loved one, it's a good combo. We'll just continue down the side here. This whole area is really around those 4-park series where they have the iconic figures from all 4 parks mixed in the backpacks of the sweatshirts and the blankets and all that, all in here. But this backpack is great. Now this isn't a lounge fly. It has lounge fly size, but it's a true backpack. It's canvas. It's $49.99. It's about the price of a lounge fly. The back does have some hidden Mickeys on it. And then you have just a larger version of that there. And then you have a crossbody, which back in the day we called the fanny pack, to go through it. Now, in here, they have your stuffies. Now, it is your standard stuffies. There's some stores that just have walls of stuffies, and it's your Fab Five, and then you have your Stitch, and you have really the sleeping ones, and then the babies, and that's really their series. Now the cuddlies, which are the sleeping stuffies, are $44.99, and then these baby ones are $29.99. That's mini, and they got really a very cute Mickey. And what's great is you got Stitch and Angel. We all know Stitch was not the best behaved baby, and then just really the Fab Five and Stitch, and then this is a great Mickey because it's really Fantasia Mickey, and then you have Princess Minnie underneath here. And then what's great, I didn't see this down here. Okay, this is new. It's a birthday Mickey. Let's pull him out. So if you're having a birthday, Disney One takes birthdays very seriously, but now they have a birthday Mickey. He has his cake, birthday outfit, all that, and how much? And he is running $34.99 for the birthday Mickey. And then they have all the toys, dolls, and then the pins. Now the pins, a lot of people are looking at. So we're going to spin back around. And then they have the Crocs, which was $64.99. And then they continue over here with some more toys. And these little figurines, my kids when they were little, they're much older now, loved these kinds of things. They had the Encanto and the Little Mermaid. And then they do go into Marvel and Nightmare Before Christmas, which is great because before it was all princess. And then they had Disney Railroad on this side. And then we come back over this way. They have the Play in the Park series, which is an entire series of really the guys playing with rides and amusements and actually interacting in the park. So this is a whole series that Disney brought out. So this is their small figures. And then they have the Christmas ornaments. It was really a great mug. And you can see around the edge of the mug here, all the iconic rides. And then they have this, and this is one of the best snow globes I think I've ever seen. You have Mickey on the teacups. You have Goofy and Donald on, I had to think, Spaceship Earth. I'm sorry, not Spaceship Earth, Space Mountain. And then there's a castle, and there's a flying Dumbo with Pluto. That is great, and that price for that is $39.99. Very heavy, very nice. And then back in the back wall, they just have all their snacks and all that. So we're gonna continue kind of cutting through. This is a Spanish inspired, so you're gonna have to assume they're bringing the Coco element in, and they do. They have Coco well represented. So here's Dante, the dog, after he has kind of been upgraded. And here's a couple figurines from the show. This is a great set of swap out magnets, or swap out, things that go on the back of your phone. So they click on the back of your phone and it's something you can grab onto, but you can swap out the pictures. And then they have another set you can buy to kind of upgrade. And then they have this fantastic fence. I'll tell you right now, my girls would kill if I could get that for them right now. And then they have the oversized graphic tee. This is a shirt. This is really, Disney's doing a lot of these big graphic tees. So this is awesome. And then the sweatshirts are here. And then really the whole message of this entire movie is La Familia, where you bring the family together and unite. And then they have these ears, which are really excellent. Now they're kind of mini ears because they got the bow, but you have Dante and then Miguel and the great colors. It could almost be a pride ear, but not. But then they do have kind of the Day of the Dead ears. As you remember, most of the movie ends up being in the Land of the Dead. So that's all there. So that's just a great thing. Now, we'll come around. What they do have is this. And this was real popular for a while and kind of faded a little bit, but I think it's still relevant. If you're an adult and you are a Disney fanatic like me and my family, you may not want all the colorful stuff in your house, but you want to accent with Disney. This is just a subtle way to say I'm a Disney fan, but I don't want my living room to look like a dorm room or an elementary school. So there's that. Found another table, a little bit more Coco stuff on it. And this is great. So this is a vase set that comes right there. Oh, it's actually two very large drinkable mugs. I was going vase for plants, but it's not. The drink set. So they're two glasses. Obviously, sorry, spoiler alert, bad guy, dog. In the back is nothing. It just has Coco. And then they have really mugs, I think structurally are great because they're square. Each character on it, it's hard plastic, wood top, plastic straw. And then look. So here's Miguel. And then here's Miguel. He has a mask in here so he can pretend when he's pretending to be dead in the movie. So there's that. Now, the ear collection here is really top notch, to be honest with you. They have the Three Amigos ears right here. This is Panchito's store. They have the monochromatic black ears, which I think are great. These ears kind of popped out of nowhere and we started seeing it in other stores, but it's a great color combination with the purple, the muted purple, the gold, and kind of the dark blue. And then these are really Coco ears, pride ears, graduation ears, and then you have the dessert ears. Cinderella ears, which you love. The Stitch ears, which are hard to find. These are not easily found. Character ears, and then oh, where we go. In the middle section, they have obviously your lounge flies, different variations. We saw a couple already. This is a great mini lounge fly. It is one we see in a lot of different places. These jackets came out, and actually we just saw a jacket just like this in the Character Warehouse, which is their outlet store. So heads up on that. We have a video on that if you want to see it. This is a great Disney backpack. big backpack, a lot of space. It is $55. It's heavy. They have kind of what I would love to call a mom bag, and I do apologize if that's offensive. And that's $49.99. And then they have kind of the pouches, the crossbodies. And then, kind of just on this back area here, as we work way back to the front of the store, they do have the 2025 merchandise. They have the drinkable bottles and the mugs, which are really kind of a neat mug. It reminds me of the Play Park series, but it's really nice. Great Globy. Just picked one of these up for my daughter. And then on the back, they kind of pick up the rest with some more t-shirts and sweatshirts, and really a great set of ears. It celebrates it. It has kind of the shiny bow, and you have your characters on the front and on the back. Chip and Dale are there, and they do have Walt Disney on the side. It's a solid $34.99 for those ears. It's just a great set. So guys, that's Panchito's. Panchito's is really by far one of the best laid out merchandise stores. Large because of what it was originally. Easily to navigate, walk through. You don't bump into anybody. Some of the stores I think we've seen, especially we videotaped, they're small and kind of cramped. But this is really just a fantastic space. So, guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. This is Panchito's at Casino Tower, Coronado Springs. You guys have a fantastic day and take care.